Hello students, now we will be solving memory-based questions of GATE 19. For more video solution on GATE 19, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for instant notification.
Hello friends, my name is Pranshu Mahajan, and in this video we are going to discuss a question from fluid mechanics, particularly from boundary layer. So actually it belongs to boundary layer, but it does not involve that much concept. The aerodynamic drag on a sports car depends on its shape. The car has a drag coefficient of 0.1 with closed windows and roof. So basically drag coefficient, that is the skin friction coefficient, is 0.1 when the windows are closed, windows and roof is closed. And it is 0.8 if they are open. Definitely when the windows and the roof will be open, the flow of air will be obstructed. So drag coefficient will increase, and it increases this much. The car travels at a speed of 44 km per hour with closed windows and roof. The same amount of power is required if it travels at a speed of dash km per hour but with open windows and roof. Find out this speed and consider that the exposed area is same in both the cases. So basically when the car moves ahead, air moves in the backward direction with respect to it. So it will exert a drag force. Drag force, you can write it in terms of average shear stress into area. Okay, what is average shear stress? It is skin friction coefficient, that is the drag coefficient, into dynamic pressure. So check. Power required will be equal to drag force into velocity, where drag force is equal to tau into area. Now tau can be written like this: skin friction coefficient, drag coefficient into dynamic pressure of the air stream. With respect to car, the relative velocity will be, so if the car is moving ahead at a speed of 44 km per hour, so basically with respect to car, the air is moving in the backward direction with the same speed. So this V, which is the free stream velocity, the relative velocity of the air with respect to car, it is actually the absolute velocity of the car. Okay. So power can be written like this. So power is equal to Cf into half into rho into V cube into area. So basically car power not only depends upon exposed area and drag coefficient, but it depends upon thrice the absolute velocity of the car. Now there are two situations. One situation is windows and door roof is closed. Other one is they are open. So P1, situation 1, situation 2. So power in situation 1 by power in situation 2, I think it will become like this. But what they are saying is that your V1, it is equal to 44 km per hour. Okay, so you will have to convert it into meter per second. Okay, but they are saying in both the cases power required is same, so P1 and P2 will cancel out. So ultimately Cf2 V2 cube will be equal to Cf1 V1 cube. So your V2 can be written like this: it will be the cube root of the ratio of drag coefficients into V1. Okay. So I think let us find out this value also, try to find out this value also. So if you talk of V1, it is 44 km per hour. So you will write down V1 as 44,000 by 3600. Okay. So this will become, I think this is, if we try to divide by 642. Let's divide it by 2 only first. So this will become 12 and this will become 220. Then you will have 110 by 6. And then we will have 55 by 3. Okay, so it's like 55 by 3. 440 by 36, 55 by 3. And correspondingly, CF1, that is like 0.1. CF2 is 0.8. So 1 by 8. So cube root will be 1 by 2. So this cube root will become 1 by 2 into 55 by 3. So this is 55 by 6 meter per second. So V2 is 55 by 6 meter per second. Now you have to convert this in kilometer per hour also. So 55 by 6 meter per second. So to convert it into kilometer per hour, so what you will do is you will multiply it by 3600 and then divide it by 1000. So 6 and 3600, 600, these two zeros will cancel out. So 6 into 55, how much is, by the way, 6 into 55? I think 55, so that will become 330. So this will become 33 km per hour. Okay, so it is 33 km per hour. Okay, so I hope you got the question and you understood the method also. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends also, so they can have a look at the solution and benefit from it. Thank you.